Today, I'm going to show you how to do glitter letters in Canva quickly and easily, even if you're a complete beginner. This is a super fun design trick for thumbnails, party invitations, social media graphics, posters, and just about any project where you want your text to stand out with a sparkly, eye-catching look. And the best part is, you can do it right inside Canva without needing any advanced design skills. If you enjoy simple Canva tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful design tips and step-by-step videos. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open Canva and go to the design you want to edit. If you already have a project open, that's perfect. If not, you can start a new design and choose the size that fits your project best. Once your canvas is open, you're going to add or select the text that you want to turn into glitter letters. You can type your word, phrase, or title first so you have something to work with. Make sure your text is large enough to see clearly, because glitter effects usually look best when the letters are bold and easy to read. Now, click on the Elements in the left-hand menu. This is where Canva stores a huge library of graphics, icons, and decorative design assets. In the search bar, type glitter alphabet. That search term is the key here because it brings up ready-made glitter letters and sparkly alphabet graphics you can use right away. Canva will show you a variety of glitter-style letter options, and depending on the style you want, you can browse through the results to find the one that matches your design. Some options may appear as individual letters, while others may show full alphabet sets or decorative text graphics. If you want a clean and polished look, choose letters that have consistent glitter texture and good contrast. Once you find the glitter letters you like, click to add them to your design. If they appear one by one, you can place each letter to spell out your word. If Canva gives you a full glitter alphabet image, you may need to resize it and position it so it works nicely in your layout. From there, adjust the size, spacing, and placement so your glitter text looks balanced on the page. You can move the letters around, make them bigger for a title effect, or place them on top of a colored background to make the sparkle stand out even more. Dark backgrounds often work really well with glitter letters because they make the shine pop, but lighter backgrounds can work too if the glitter has strong enough contrast. If you want to make the design look even better, try pairing the glitter letters with simple shapes, stars, confetti, or a soft shadow behind the text. That can help the glitter effect feel more polished and complete. The goal is to make the letters the star of the design, so keep the rest of the layout clean and simple, and that's really all there is to it. In just a few steps, you can create glitter letters in Canva using the element search and a glitter alphabet style that fits your project. This is a fast, beginner-friendly way to make your text look more exciting and visually appealing without needing any extra software. If this tutorial helped you, please give this video a like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials, design hacks, and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.